Hey guys, welcome to B-Stride DIY. This is Brian. I'm going to show you some of their tool deals. This is slickdeals.net. This is where I go to find some of these tool deals that are going on. First up, we have this limited time HVAC multimeter. Looks like it's about half off or even more here. Let's go ahead and click this. It says it's popular. So $130, it was $264. That's 50% off. What I always do is you're going to want to click through to make sure this is actually still the current price. It says it's $130, so that's correct. 50% off. It's a limited time deal. 4.7 stars with over 500 ratings. Now let's go on back. And what this website is it's a congregate website where people can kind of post the deals that they find online or in store. And I'll show you one of the in-store ones in just a bit. But it's really helpful because if you're looking out for something, it's where people can kind of come together and say, hey, this is the best price I've found. Go ahead and buy. So this one here is a 7-piece DeWalt titanium nitride impact ready drill bit set. $19. It's 45% off if it is true. Was 35. Let's go ahead and go through. It's $18.99, so that price is actually true. 40% off, 46% off the reference price, and it says it's fulfilled by Amazon here in this lower corner you can see. And then you can kind of scroll through and look at the actual item here. Let's go ahead and do this Hart 15-inch handsaw. It's $5, it was $11, so that's 54% off. Now Hart is a Walmart brand, is my understanding. So let's click through to Walmart and go ahead and like this video, guys, if this is helpful information or if you want to go ahead and check out Slick Deals yourself. So this is true. $4.94 was $10.97. You're saving $6. Always just helpful to have a saw hanging up in your man cave or garage just in case you need to do something real quick. Next up, we have this DeWalt 200-piece mechanics tool set. 1/4 inch, 3/8, and a 1/2 inch drive sockets and ratchets for $94. It was $175, so that's 45% off. Let's go ahead and look through here. I don't see any special codes. You want to look down here at the deal details because sometimes when you click through the link, it's not gonna say the sale price. And when that happens, you want to go down, look at the deal details, see if there's something you missed. Okay, so it's $94, 46% off. The good thing when you go through to Amazon, it's Amazon, you know what you're getting. You can check out the ratings. Not too many ratings, but it is DeWalt, and it is through the DeWalt store. You can kind of see here the actual store that's selling it. And stay tuned to the end, guys. I'm going to go ahead and link a different video where I talk about price history of items, and it's through Amazon, but it correlates with other department stores. All right, let's check out this DeWalt 20-volt max LED work light. It says it's the tool only, 51% off. So that is correct. It is fulfilled through Amazon, 52% off. You can scroll through the different pictures here, but you will need a battery for that. That's the 20-volt max. Now guys, check out this. This is another type of the deals that they have there. It's a clearance deal in store. This just gives you ideas of what your local store may have. I mean, when I click through this link, the picture's obviously at a store for $27 one of their yellow tagged items. It's their multi-yard tool system edger attachment. And just keep an eye out for it in your store if that's something you're looking for or keeping an eye out for. Now, this is a DeWalt cordless barrel grip jigsaw tool for $98 plus free shipping. It says it's 40% off. And it says get deal at Rockler. I've never heard of Rockler. We're going to need a promo code to get this deal at 9839. It's this V285373. So yeah, 163, but once we apply that code, it'll bring it down to the $90 price. So you can get a better look here as far as the actual tool though. Next up, let's do this rigid deal because this looks like a good price. It doesn't say what it was before, but it's $133 for this 18-volt cordless 1/2 inch drill driver kit and 6.5 inch circular saw combo kit. So I would see this being a good deal even without the circular saw in it. Now this is saying get deal at Home Depot. So that's interesting. It says $179, but it says see store in clearance price. Okay, so see how it's now showing the $133 price? So that's pretty interesting. I'm gonna scoot on up. Here we go. so we can see the actual product. So that now it's saying 133 for all this. So that's an in-store clearance. Online, you would probably pay the 179, I'm guessing. All right, next up we had this Skill 20-volt 2-tool brushless power tool combo kit. Now this is only for $69. That's 53% off. You're getting the impact driver, drill, battery, and charger. Okay, so this is listed on the website. It says save $79, $69.98 with 4.6 stars. That is a really good deal. It says $259 value if purchased separately. This is a clearance item. That must be why that they're going pretty low on this price here. And let me know, guys, if there's any deals here that you see that you're probably really itching to check out, or if not, if you don't think these are good deals, let me know. Now, this is from DeWalt. It's a 20-volt max rapid charger. It's a 4-port charger for $179 plus free shipping for Prime members. That's telling me it's Amazon, or at least it says get deal through Woot. So that's 41% off. It was $309. Now it's $179. And the reason I'm clicking through is because sometimes people will post things and the deals will fall off after a week or two. So that's why I'm doing this. Yeah, $179 still. And this is a closer up picture of this actual charger. You're getting the 4 different ports, an 8 amp output per port. All right, next up is this Workos TD05 rechargeable flashlight. It's USB-C as far as the recharging, max of 1800 lumens, and this is 45% off at $22. That's a good deal. I have one very similar. I think it's a different brand, but I would think it's probably close to $50 when at the original price. We need a code, so you can see this code down here. It says code starting with 8, and that's for the price listed. So we're not going to see this price when we click through. We're going to want to use the code to get that price. And of course, it's rechargeable. Looks like it's probably, yeah, it says waterproof as well for indoor or outdoor use. Next up is this 2-pack of Milwaukee M12 12-volt 3 amp hour XC batteries plus free bare tool for $119. That's 48% off. Was $229. It's now $119. Okay, it's saying $129. I'm pretty sure it had said $119. So a little bit of a difference there. But it says when you add to cart, it's going to allow you to select the free tool. All right, this is from Makita. It's an XMTO3 18-volt cordless oscillating multi-tool. Again, this one's the tool only. It's 50% off though at $109. It was $223. This is an Amazon deal. I don't see a code, so let's go straight through to Amazon and see if it's still $109. And it looks like it is $109, 51% off with Prime. So you will have to have Prime, but you know, that's something with Amazon you can choose to get. Looks pretty nice here. These are the different pictures of it. Next we had this DeWalt 20-volt max 8 amp hour lithium ion battery plus choice of select bonus tool. So you're going to get a free tool that you get to choose when you buy this battery for $199. Was $348. It's 42% off. All right, so $199. That is the price we were told at the Slick Deals site. And then right down here, you can see buy one, get one free, or you get to choose your gift. I think up to $150 worth. And it's saying offer ends 10/30. So you have a little bit of time to get this deal. And so as you can see, guys, there's a lot more different tools on here, different deals. I can go to the other page and just kind of keep going through here. But this is the front page of the deals. And let me know if you like these videos. Go ahead and comment if you do, and check out this other video because I'm going to talk about different Amazon deals, but the actual price history throughout 1 year, where you can see the price ups and downs in the history of the price to kind of inform you the best time of year to buy the tools.